Alright, this video I'm going to talk about this insulated water bottle that I just found out about. It's called the Flow. Kind of goes with me because back on my back my tattoo says Wise Flow. You know, flow is a big thing for me, like water, flow like water. Just so happens that the brand is called the Flow, but I never knew about these type of water bottles for so long, and I just found out about it when I was at Target the other day, and I was in the water bottle section, and I was looking at the bottles, and I was wondering, like, what are the benefits of these types of bottles. And the thing that surprised me was like $30 for a bottle. I was like, dang, you know, like, what's up with these $30 bottles? And I never knew the benefits of it. I would always just use like plastic water bottles that would come like in Gatorade. I just put water in there. But as I started to look up on these and I found out the benefits of it, I started getting really, you know, interested in it. And I ended up going on Amazon and looking up different types of water bottles. And basically it's an insulated water bottle. And the benefits, some of the benefits is that it doesn't sweat. So you got like a regular water bottle. If you put ice in it, or even if you don't put ice in it, it'll start dripping, start sweating, and then it'd get all over my mats, for example, and then there'll be all these sweat spots on my mats. And that one thing that this doesn't do. And because it's insulated, this thing is all like aluminum or steel or something, where you put the water in there and it'll be fresh. Whereas you put it in these other water bottles, they start getting molded, and then you could taste the mold, and you can't even wash those types of water bottles. Those plastic water bottles are not designed to be washed. So when you wash them and you try to wash them, you'll taste the soap that gets trapped into the plastic, and then you're drinking that, and it's disgusting, right? So chemicals will get into the water in those regular water bottles. They're not designed to be reused, pretty much. Alright, other thing that this thing does is it retains the coldness of the water. So if you put cold water in here, it'll stay cold for like at least 8 hours, or maybe even 24 hours for some of these bottles. Other thing is it'll retain heat. So if you put something hot in here, like hot tea, it'll stay hot for like 24 hours. The other thing about this bottle is that you put ice in here and the cubes will stay in there pretty much the whole day for 24 hours. None of that will happen with a regular bottle that's plastic. Alright. Other thing that they said, that these types of bottles will last a lifetime. They're easy to clean. This one in particular, the Flow, is a 32-ounce water bottle, and it comes with 3 different nozzles. This one right here pops up here, and then you just drink it like this. And then it comes with 2 other ones. This one right here, which is a pop-up cap, and then it comes with this one as well. This one, you know, you could hook it onto something. So this particular brand I like a lot because it comes with the 3 different nozzles or tops, different caps, and I like the color of it. I like the name of it. I like black, and it looks really nice. If I open it up, it's like steel inside. You look at the cap, this is how the cap looks, but you'll see inside the bottle, the entire thing is all steel, you know. And like I said, I just found out about these bottles, and I love it. You know, I started to order. There's different brands. I ordered a lot of different brands, maybe like 4 different brands to try them out. But this is still my favorite brand, the Flow. They got a smaller version, which is 16 ounces. This is 32 ounces. They got a 16-ounce version that's smaller. I ordered bottles for my children, and they love it as well. These plastic water bottles they're just horrible, and I'm thankful that I found out about this, and I'm making a genuine product review for something that I really do recommend. It really makes your water taste different. I mean, pure. You know, you put water in there and then it stays pure. It doesn't get corrupted by the plastic, and it doesn't have all these like smells that come from the plastic. You know, but this, you know, I definitely would recommend to take a look at it. You gotta type in insulated water bottle. Insulated means that it's gonna, you know, retain that coldness and that, you know, the hotness, and that's the more higher quality bottles. They got bottles that are like this, but they're not insulated. You know, but you want to look for the insulated one. Those are the higher quality ones. They got a lot of different brands. This one's the Flow. They got another one called Camelback, which is a pretty nice one as well. But this is one of the very few ones that offer all these different nozzles that you can put on there. You know, and it's not that expensive. It's worth the investment because it will last a lifetime. You know, so this is it right here, the Flow. Check it out on Amazon.